Hey guys, just want to make this quick video to say thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. We just reached it this morning and it honestly does mean a lot to me. When I first started this channel just over a year ago, I never expected any of this to happen. So again, thank you so much. It honestly does mean a lot. So this is probably quite a quick video because again, just want to say a quick thank you and also let you know that I do have quite a lot of big plans coming up for the future of this channel. Right now I am quite busy because I'm also a full-time uni student as well as doing YouTube, but I do have a lot of great future plans and future videos for this channel. Also, I spoke about maybe playing some of your games as a celebration for 20,000 subscribers, and I can still do that if you want, or maybe we could wait till 25,000, or we can do it on both of them as well if you want. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd want to do it for now or for the future. Either way, I'm happy to set it up and do it if you want it as well, but just let me know in the comments. But yeah, again, this is honestly so shocking and surprising to me. We've built such a nice community here as well, especially on the Discord, everybody helping each other out, being really kind to each other. It honestly means a whole lot to me. Again, never expected any of this to happen. So once again, thank you so very much for all of your support and for 20,000 subscribers. And honestly, I think this is still just the very beginning. I've still got a lot of future potential ideas for the channel within the coming years and all that great stuff. So like I said, this will be a quick one, just saying thank you and let you know that I still plan on doing that video if you want to see it. So again, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so very much for all of this support and for 20,000 subscribers once again. Again, a bit repetitive here, so I will finish this off. But thanks so very much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.